Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about GK and GS one-liner questions, that is, which is useful for all competitive examinations. So let us see exactly what we have in part 38. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find up to part 37, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. As you can see, defense as well as paramilitary forces in the central government jobs. So initially we have the steel plant in Tamil Nadu is situated at. Please remember there are various steel plants, but in the case of Tamil Nadu, that is Salem is the famous one where you will find the steel plant, which is very famous. The substance most important for genetic engineering is nucleus. Please remember every cell we have the nucleus in it, as you can see to the right side. So the substance which is very important for genetic engineering is nucleoles. Next we have the host plant for silkworm. We knew that whatever the mulberry plant, Morus alba, that is the one which is very important for the silkworm growth. Prokaryote is a blue-green algae. Please remember that whatever the prokaryotes are, they are all blue-green algae. Next we have the technology callus is associated with what? That is tissue culture. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. Whatever the technology that is callus is associated with what? That is concerning to the tissue culture. Next we have the ECG electrocardiogram that gives the information about auricles and as well as ventricles. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the electrocardiogram which gives the information of auricles and ventricles inside the heart. The most vital system is absent in tapeworm. We knew that whatever the tapeworm, the maximum you will find this tapeworm which enters through the feet only. As you can see in the what exactly the vital system is absent in that is you don't find the digestive system in that. Tuberculosis, one type of bacterial diseases. We should remember whatever the tuberculosis that is concerning to the respiratory disorders, and you should have given the vaccine, that is BCG vaccine. So that is Bacilli calmette-Guerin vaccine has to be given for the cure of tuberculosis. Here you can see what exactly the tuberculosis pleuritis, that is chest pain you will have the weakness and fever, dry cough, everything you will have in it. So this maximum you will find in the old age people. Next we have acetyl salicylic acid that is used as a pain reliever. If you want the pain reliever, that is acetyl salicylic acid is used for the relief of pain. Next we have the cordite factory which is situated at, as you can see to the right side, how exactly cordite, CORDITE, cordite factory which is located at Aravankadu. That is the one where it is located. Aravankadu. So please go through where exactly it is in Tamil Nadu it is located. The one is not a form of sugar, that is cellophone, but glucose, fructose and maltose, these are all sugar type, but the one which is not the one, that is cellophone is not the sugar form. Next we have the hardness of water is due to the soluble salts of calcium as well as magnesium in it. So whatever exactly the hardness of water is, the calcium as well as magnesium presence is the reason why the hardness of the water is present, that is deuterium oxide and D2O is the one type of hard water. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends where you will find more than 800 plus question papers for various examinations. It will be very useful as it is segregated like this. You will find subject wise topic in that. Next I request to go through whatever the papers have been discussed. They are very useful. They are all previous year papers. The Central Fuel Research Institute is located at which place? We knew that whatever the Central Fuel Research Institute is located at, Dhanbad. So this is one place where you will find this CFRI. You can see exactly how exactly it looks. Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research. This is what happens in the Dhanbad. The scientist who discovered that current can be produced in a closed conductor, he was Michael Faraday, was identified. He was the scientist who had discovered the current can be produced in a closed conductor. The cooking is quicker in a pressure cooker because increased pressure rises boiling point. Please remember, in the pressure cooker we will find maximum cooking is quicker in a pressure cooker because it has got the increased pressure rises boiling point in it. So whenever you give the pressure inside the cooker, automatically the temperature of inside the cooker will rises along with that. GSLV means geosynchronous launching vehicle. That project of India is connected with what? That is missile engines for space program is the one GSLV. What exactly it shows? So that is missile engines for space program. Next we have a decibel is the relative intensity of sound. Decibel means dB. It is the relative intensity of the sound. An antenna converts radio waves into electrical signals. Please remember, whatever the antenna we use, that converts radio waves directly into the electrical signals. So that conversion takes place in the antenna where you will find the radio waves directly into electrical signals. Through a soap film, different colors are seen by white light because of the phenomenon that is interference. Please remember, whenever there is a soap foam, that after the light falls on it, white lights, then you will have maximum different colors in that colors is because the interference of that light, you will find those type of different colors on the bubbles. Light from the laser is monochromatic nature. As you can see how exactly the nature of the light looks like, it is a monochromatic type coherent laser light. This is what exactly you can see in the laser light. The unit of impedance, that is, you have to remember resistance, whatever the units we have, that is ohm. The same units you will find in the unit of impedance also. Next we have the Museum of Salarjung. We knew that it is located in Hyderabad. The Salarjung Museum exists. The uniform of fireman is made from the material that is asbestos. You just go through internet what exactly the asbestos looks like. The first atomic reactor, that is Apsara, was the maiden nuclear reactor in India, went operational in 1956 on August 4th. This is the one you can see to the right side, which was conceptualized by Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba in 1955 and built with assistance from the UK at Trombay. The 1 megawatt reactor initially used highly enriched uranium from Britain, played a key role in various programs with applications in power, agriculture and health. That is the reason who is known as father of nuclear science. Homi Jahangir Baba has been called as father of nuclear science. He was also used to study the moon rock samples of the Apollo mission and meteor remnants that fell to the earth in Orissa in 2003. In 2010 was shut down for revamp, likely to be recommissioned in 2018. It has been closed. Next we can see here the planet that rotates in clockwise direction, that is Venus. So this is also known as morning star or evening star, that is Venus. The Indian city is said to have been built or rebuilt several times, that is Delhi. We knew that it has been taken place by many times. The capital has been shifted from Delhi to Daulatabad and back. So this was occurred. That is the reason the Indian city is said to have been built or rebuilt several times, that is Delhi. Next we have the city is known as the Empire City. New York is the one which is known as the Empire City. You have to remember that Empire City, that is New York, which is in America. Suez Canal that connects between Mediterranean as well as Red Sea. Please remember guys, whatever the canal between that Mediterranean as well as Red Sea is connected by this Suez Canal. The source of revenue of municipal committee is, we knew that whatever the municipal, that committee's source of revenue is from the octroi tax only. So this octroi tax, whenever there is a transportation from one place to other place, that transportation facilitates, the octroi will be added upon those goods. The sericulture is associated with what? Rearing of silkworm. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the sericulture, that is concerning with the rearing of silkworm. Whatever the silkworms we have, whatever the cotton is produced from the silkworms from them. The Railway Staff College, which is located in which place? The Railway Staff College is located in Baroda. So this is the place where the Railway Staff College, the training will be given for the officers of the railway. The Glimpses of the World History was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. We knew that whatever the book, that is the Glimpses of World History, which was written by the Jawaharlal Nehru. The idea of separate Muslim state in India was proposed by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We should remember, as we call Mahatma Gandhi as the father of nation for the India, the same manner Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the father of Pakistan. At the age of 20, he became the only Muslim barrister in Bombay and slowly rose to prominence in politics. He revered in Pakistan as Quaid-e-Azam, that is great leader. Baba-e-Quam, that is father of the nation. As you can see, an advocate of Hindu-Muslim unity. In his early political years, he helped shape the 1916 Lucknow Pact between Congress and All India Muslim League. He resigned from the Congress in 1920 when Satyagraha was proposed. Under him, Muslim League passed the Lahore Resolution in 1940 to demand a separate state for Indian Muslims. We knew that he was the main person who had nominated the Prime Minister of Pakistan, that is Liaquat Ali Khan, has been nominated by Muhammad Ali Jinnah after bifurcation of India and Pakistan. As you can see here, the Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. The Constitution had come up and it came to the force. The last Governor General of Independent India, that is Rajaji, that is Rajgopalachari, but the last Governor General of India, he was Lord Mountbatten. So please remember, there is a great difference for the Independent India and the Governor General of India. So it depends on the way question has been asked. You can call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. So or you can message me by WhatsApp, guys. Thank you. I hope you are going through all these videos that help you a lot in your examinations. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.